I'm just leaving home. Mojo, come. That is Mojo, people. And yeah, he's my bodyguard for that day. Ah, I'm gonna. Oh, you can imagine. I'm a little tired. Yeah. I just came back from church, and I am going to treat myself out to ice cream, some chocolate, and yeah, I'm going to meet my sisters. In fact, they went at the ice cream place, and can you imagine? They didn't even tell me. I went back at home. I reached home, and I'm like, now this is crazy. Seriously, this is crazy. How did the roles change? Even no, I'm not going to get into that. Anyways, as I was saying, I went back at home and I found that my sisters were not around. So I'm like, where is the gang? You get me? Where is the gang? I asked my mother, and she's like, they went out to treat themselves. I'm like, and they didn't take me, and they did not take me. Anyways, I was not around, so I am going to meet them and yeah, see what we can get through. Oh, if only you can feel this breeze. I love it. I have just taken a shower. I am all refreshed because this sun, you see, this sun, it's already evening. I think it's, I don't know, what's the time? Maybe 5? Yes. And there is the sun. There is still the sun, and it's going to be like, it's not as hot, yeah, as it is usually, but let's appreciate this. Look at how my skin glows when I get into it. I love myself. Self love. This year is all about self love. I promised myself 2023 is going to be all about self love. 2022 was, yeah, I started the self love journey in the end of 2022. Yeah, but yeah, we're already on the we are already in good progress. Yeah, and I love it. But seriously, let me just take it this one. Every night in my dreams, that is how I feel right now. I see you, I feel you. Now that I think about it, what's up with those lyrics? Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. By the way, what was that song all about? Did the guy die? I do not know. Now, right now, as I think about it, I'm like, did he die or did he just leave her? I feel like he died. A moment of silence for whoever they were singing to. Anyways, you guys, I love this outfit. I don't know if you can see it. I feel it. Yes, and this is my second time to wear it, and I'm already over the moon. And Mojo is still going with me. I think he wants to go and to the ice cream place. But hey, oh, by the way, I my friend told me that dogs love ice cream. So with anybody who has a dog, please treat those things like treat your dog out to an ice cream or something. I got a dog. Yeah, I got a dog. It was a golden retriever, a black golden retriever. Can you imagine? And I named her Mapenzi. I know. Anyways, yeah, I loved Mapenzi so much. I loved her. She was a beauty. I loved her. But I was with Mapenzi only for one night. Only for one night. I brought her home up. Mother is like, no, I do not need pets here. But then I I made a plan with, oh my god, cancer. And then I was like, I made a plan with my sisters. I'm like, you know what, you guys, we need to convince our mother to literally let us get into to literally let us bring the dog here. And yeah, I tried to sneak it in the house. She saw it and everything, and we were busted. Then we tried to convince her. She's like, no, take it back wherever you bought it from. And I'm like, no, mother, look at it, it's so cute. My friends was so cute, black, fluffy, and everything a person would love in a dog. You get me? So afterwards, our mother was like, okay, fine, keep the dog as long as you're going to take care of it and everything. So we had not yet gotten like a place for it. Usually in Uganda, we people don't live with their pets in the house. You get me? So it literally had to stay out. But then we could not let it stay out because we didn't have anywhere to put it. Irresponsible, you know, right? So we were like, you know what? It's going to be in the house for the time being until we get a home for it, like a place outside for it. So, but the first night I did not sleep. And you know what, girl, I love my sleep. I love my sleep. And the first night I could not sleep. It was whining and playing in the night. I'm like, this is like a baby, a human baby. Then I thought about it. I'm like, I can't. I could barely sleep. I was literally carrying this dog wherever. I loved Mapenzi, but it was too much stress for me. I'm trying to get a rose flower. I don't know which flower this is, but I love flowers. And every time I literally pass by any kind of flower, I pluck it and yeah, go with it. Hmm. It smells like a rose flower, but the tiny ones. Yeah, I am always weird. Somebody once called me the flower lady. At least I'm not a cat lady. But then I did not say that there is anything wrong with being a cat lady. I had a cat once. Once upon a time, I am still not sure if it was a he or a she. But whatever um, it was very cute, called Meow Meow. Yeah, I named my cat Meow Meow. And I loved Meow Meow. This is very nice. I'm still going, right? Like there was totally a change of plans, but I will still get that ice cream because you guys need to literally just see how I eat my ice cream. And if you judge, we are done. We break up. The guy is like, this is what I get every time I get out of the house. Seriously. Uh, anyways, uh, so yeah, let's go and I will. Yeah, I'm going. By the way, I'm going to Underita Beach. I don't know if you have ever been there, but I'm meeting up somebody there, and we are going to talk about our trip to Kalangala. So wish me luck and bye. Hi. Ah, hi. Elvis, I'm Hannah. Yeah. What do you want? Contact. Uh, maybe next time. When you see me next time.
There's no another
Why not?
chance. There's no another chance.
Ah, there is no. Really?
First way. You my fault. That's where it is.
No, ogenda kumperekera? Gyendaga? Oyagala kumperekera? No, I'm gonna meet up with somebody. I'm meeting up with somebody. You can't. Huh? To like talk about what? Anyone?
Yourself now.
No. I don't share my contact like that, but I don't share my contact like that. Mfano. No. Oh, that is crazy. Usually, oh God, sharing contacts is not my best thing to do. But anyways, guys, this is the fish market. This is the place where you need to get fish, to get everything. And there is a preacher right over there. I do not know if you can see him, but I'm loving this. I'm loving the whole ambience and everything. Yeah, it's nice. I love it.
Yadda na musumba n'ambuuza oyagala okulokoka ne mugamba nkugambyeko mujagala sigenda kulokoka
Yeah, this
wabula
is the
leero sirina wakusula
marketplace,
mukama yebasibe
and I'm all here for
ne
it.
bampa lw'okusula ne banne bandabirira
So this is where like the beach side starts from. This was a hotel once, and they made it into a school. There is Maryland, yeah, international school. I'm not sure what that is all about, but hey, we are here and we are going to take a moment to appreciate the water because I love water. I love it. It calms me. It calms my soul. This is it. As I said, I can't live that long without just being one with nature. Ooh! Oh my god, I can't get wet. Like, every night in my dreams, I feel you, I see you. Oh my god, you guys, somebody should join me. Join me on this. Because this is what I love. This is how I feel so alive. And if I fall in this water, like this cloth could get very, very, very revealing. But let's be careful. But just can't imagine how this will stay forever this way. And I believe that my heart still goes on. I love these birds. Usually when we were young, we would be like, oh, maybe they could make our nails become white. I do not know if anybody has that thought. But hey, children, I know, right? And these other birds are like the big ones. Uh, yeah, the big ones are some kind of scavengers. They eat everything and anything. Like seriously, they eat everything. But hey, we are here for it, and I love it. I love everything about this place. I love when I'm in the water. Yeah. Wow. Hello. This is nice. I have never been this close to one. They usually fly away so fast. But this one is just here, enjoying life. And the white ones are, oh wow, this one is big. Guys, this is big. It's as tall as me. I'm a short person. Yeah, I'm very short. I'm the short one in the family. Look at these birds. Oh my god, do you see the black? Oh, wow. I love this. I have never been this close to one like this. They always fly it away and fly away. But this is cool. Oh. Wow. The tiny little feet are white. It bleached, but it never got a chance to bleach all of its body. Okay, but seriously, this is beautiful. I love it. Guys, this is beautiful. I am enjoying myself already, and I haven't even got to the chance of eating my ice cream. But hi. It's like I was born in the water. I could be a mermaid. Wait, that is no, that is not the Little Mermaid. That is Frozen. Yeah. What was the Little Mermaid all about? Out of the sea, I wish I could breathe. I love that world. I'm crazy. This is me, not drunk. I always tell my friends I can keep up with the drunk ones. And they're like, bitch, we know. It's crazy. Not serious. Oh, Myron's flower. Can I dance? No, I cannot. But then who's judging? You get me? Yeah. I can't be everything you want me to be. I cannot be pretty. I cannot have a good voice. I cannot be this talented and then know how to dance. Like that would not be fair. So yeah, I know. I'm not complaining. Oh, but seriously, you guys, I need to leave right now, and so that I can go meet up with the friends. Say bye bye, leg. We will meet again. Water. Never knew I found another lover. Like seriously, tell me the truth. Do songs pop up in your head like they do in mine? Like just random songs. Having no deal popping up in my head, but they just pop up. I don't like. Never knew I found another lover. All my life, I needed someone like you. You wish. Yeah, but seriously, one of my many dreams, I have like a lot of dreams, is to have somebody serenade me. You get me? Like come out and be like, oh, what would the song be? The one that I love. Uh, For I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I would totally be like, do you also surrender your bank accounts? Because you got me. Huh? Anyways, we will not go there. But yeah, you know, if you know, you get me. But seriously, different subjects totally. So nice. These are so nice. They are mostly when they get ripe, they turn like the color turns to some orange, like bright orange, and that is when you know that they are ready to harvest. You get me? You can get oil from them. You can get yeah. This is the place that I'm at right now, and you can get oil. You can just eat them. You can just boil them up and eat them and everything. And there are so many like around here. You can like eat the outer thingy. Oh, oh, look at that! Like, do you see how this one is turning orange? Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. It's totally turning orange, and so yeah, as I was saying, they can totally turn orange, and when they do, it's that is the moment you have to boil them up. You can like boil them, and I don't know. Do I remember like they could put some salt on there, and you could eat it, and yeah, it's nice. And this is like the I have reached to the Ethiopian beach. Like, ooh, they make the best coffees here. Like, do you see the tiny pots? Do you see them? Yes, that is what I'm talking about. These, these tiny pots. Mm. I have never tasted their coffee. Oh, nice, huh? I have never tasted their coffee, but Every time I pass by this side, it smells like the scent is everywhere. I'm not saying that it's a bad scent. I'm saying that wow, if I already get drunk from the coffee alone. Yeah, I already get drunk from like the taste, the smell alone, and I'm here for it. Maybe once I will try it out, and definitely, yeah. Surprisingly, over there, they somebody told me once. They asked me because like they are Ethiopian and everything. They were like, "Are you Ethiopian?" I'm like, "What on me looks like an Ethiopian?" Like I know I'm pretty, but I can't be every like country. You get me? Huh? Kenyans are out there like claiming me. One of these days, I'm going to get a Chinese claiming me. Shut up. Anyways, back to my favorite spot, guys. I can't come this side and not go to my favorite spot. Like, I mean, don't I like look fine in this spot? Yeah, that's what I thought. Anywho, so yeah, and I was like, no, I am not Ethiopian. They were like asking, no, are you Ethiopian? You're so pretty. And I'm like, no, thank you. I'm flattered, but I'm not Ethiopian. But then my aunts, no, my grandmother from the one from Kenya came. Yeah, my mother is Kenyan. So, hi, Kenyan sisters and brothers and everybody Kenyan. Hi, Habari. I don't know the language, but hey, we are trying. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, my grandma came and she was like, she told us like a little about our origin from my mother's family, and she's like, oh, like our ancestors originally migrated from Ethiopia, and I'm like, bitch. But then I could totally believe it because have you seen my sister? Like, not Faith. I'm not talking about Faith. I'm talking about Christy. In short, Tina. Yes, she is very beautiful, and usually you could give her to Rwanda, you could give her to Ethiopia, you could give her anywhere that you want, and yeah, she would totally fit. So yeah, maybe one of these days you would totally get to see her and meet her. I'm about to reach Yossi's place. I love him very much, and yeah. Ooh, baby, like you like it. Hi, I just arrived and I am excited to see my lovely, 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 lovely Yoti. I love him. Yeah, I do. He is a very, very, very fun guy.
Stop it with the TikTok.
Say hi. Hi, love.
Hello.
You're so bad. Hi, guys. This is my friend Luke, and we are talking about going to Kalangala. Oh my god. And I'm so excited. It's settled. Yeah, the trip is on. Nice way to end the evening with some African tea. I don't get why they call it African tea. It's milk. Is it? Am I getting this wrong? Like
This is Indian tea.
Indian tea. Wow.
Milk.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
No, I like it. It's just that
There's too much. There's too much milk.
the name. It's just the name that confuses me. Yeah, the name confuses me very much. It's like they call it African tea. The first time I had it, I'm like, really? African tea? I thought this is milk tea. And then the African tea is the like black tea. Then what is I and yeah, I'm leaving that. Mm. But it is good. I like it. Bye guys. Good night.
Please don't drink wine or alcohol. Nothing. No wine. You like
No,
wine?
no, 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 no. I have tasted like some wine. I liked it. I liked the taste, but I don't drink. I I tasted it once and I was like, No, I cannot get myself to drink. I don't want to be somebody who drinks any kind of alcohol. So I left that. Yeah, crazy. Eh? Yeah, I love the sweet wine. It's sweet. Okay, guys. Good night, and hopefully I see you next time.